Good morning, children. Welcome back to our English class. So, today we are here to discuss something very important with regards to your English assignment. Yes, these are your internal assignments, students. So, make sure that you are going to sit with a pen and a book in hand so that we can discuss a lot of things today and you will be making a note of it. All right? So, let us start. So now children, your internal assignment is basically for 10 marks. I repeat, internal assignment is for 10 marks. Now, you have to submit this assignment on 19th of August before 8 p.m. Yes, children, the submission date of this internal assignment is 19th of August before 8 p.m. Children, if you are not going to send your assignment before 8 p.m., then we are extremely sorry. We may not be able to accept your assignment late. All right. So make sure that you are going to submit your assignment before 8 p.m. only. All right. And the date of submission is 19th of August for English. Now, one more important thing. You have to write this assignment in fullscape paper, or you can also write in A4 size paper, but make sure that you are going to write this assignment in paper only so that you can do the scanning of this paper. Yes, that's right. You have to use the scanner which has been already given, and the instructions are already been given to you in the group. So make sure, children, that once your assignment is done, you are going to do the scanning of your assignment. Yes. Now let us come to the main sheet of your assignment. Now children, your main sheet of the assignment should be mentioned. These are the things which should be mentioned on this assignment sheet. First thing is your name, right? Student's name, then your standard, then your division, then the roll number and the SID number, which is very compulsory. Yes, children. Make sure that you write on the main page your name, your full name. All right. That's your first name and the last name. Make sure that you mention your standard. That's 6th standard. You also mention your division. It could be A, B, C or any other division. Your roll number. Yes, we know that we have not given you the roll numbers, so you can mention your last year's roll number. All right, but make sure that you mention your last year's roll number as well. And yes, you have to also mention your SID number, which is mandatory over here, which is compulsory over here. So now children, what are the topics for your internal English assignment? You will be having formal letter, which is of 5 marks, and notice writing, which is of 5 marks. So total 10 marks. Yes, children. So your total assignment carries 10 marks. All right. Now, let me tell you, children, for 6th standard, we have divisions from A till G. So we have given you different topic for various divisions. So make sure, children, that you are going to write the topic which is actually allotted for your division only. Now, the first thing is I'm going to start with division A and B. Now, division A and B, your formal letter topic is letter of inquiry. Yes, letter of inquiry, which is of 5 marks. Now, what you have to do is, let us read. Write a letter to the tours manager, Ashoka Tours and Travels, Bangalore, seeking information regarding the tour packages offered by the company. I repeat again. Write a letter to the tours manager, Ashoka Tours and Travels, Bangalore, seeking information regarding the tours packages offered by the company. You are Mr. Ajay Mittal or Miss Arushi Mittal from Chandigarh, Punjab, who is planning to visit all the holy places of South India with your aged mother and father for a month's time this October. So, yes, children, now you have to act like, if you're a boy, you can say you are Mr. Ajay Mittal, or if you're a girl, you are Miss Arushi Mittal. Now you have to draft a letter, that is a letter of inquiry. You have to mention the name Ashoka Tours and Travels, Bangalore. And you need to get the information about tours packages, okay, various offers on holy places of South India. The reason why you're doing the reason is you are going to take your aged mother and father for a month's time this October. So that means you're going on a vacation with your mom and dad who are old age, and you're going to take them for holy place tours and travels, right? So make sure, children, that you are going to draft this letter. So this letter is specifically, the topic is only for division A and B. Children, division A and B will only have this topic. All right. Now, let us check what is the notice writing topic for division A and B. Yes. Now, division A and B, the notice writing topic again for 5 marks is, you are in charge of cultural club of your school. Yes, you are in charge of cultural club of your school. So you have to draft a notice for your school notice board inviting students to participate in painting competition as Mohan or Mahima. So yes, that means you are Mohan or you are Mahima if you are a girl, and you are going to write a notice on your school notice board. You will be inviting the students to participate in painting competition. So yes, children, you know the format of notice writing. You have to stick to the format of notice writing and the letter writing. Do not add your own formats. Make sure that whatever your teachers have taught you with regards to the format of notice and letter writing, you're going to stick to the format. The reason is you will be judged based on your format as well. All right, children? So I'm very sure that you are clear with division A and B, letter writing and notice writing topics. Now let us go for the next division. Now division C and D. The topic for your formal letter is order letter, yes, which carries 5 marks. So now children, you have to write a letter to Messrs. Lakshmi Stationery Mart, Chowri Bazaar, New Delhi, asking them to send their rates and terms of supply of stationery items. You are Rahul or Rohini Mittal, Office Superintendent, Bundelkhand Public School, Jhansi. So that means, children, if you are a boy, you will draft a letter as if you are Rahul Mittal and you are working as Office Superintendent for a school named Bundelkhand Public School, Jhansi. And if you are a girl, you have to draft a letter thinking that you are Rohini Mittal working as Office Superintendent for Bundelkhand's Public School, Jhansi. Now you have to draft a letter asking them for their rates and various terms and conditions for supply of stationery items. Yes, children, but make sure you are going to stick to the format of formal letter. Do not try to add your own format. All right, you have to stick to the format which has been discussed by your teacher, right? Now we will go to the next topic. So C and D division, your next topic is notice writing, which is of 5 marks. So now you are the secretary of your literary association in the school. That means you are the secretary of your English literary club. Okay, English club. Yes, that's right. So you have to write a notice for your school notice board giving details of the proposed inauguration of an English literary club. So you are XYZ of Wipro High School, Bangalore. That means you are you are studying in a school and the name of the school is Wipro High School, Bangalore. and you are the secretary of English Literary Club. So you have to write a notice on your school notice board giving the detailed proposed inauguration for your English club. All right? So now children, I hope that you have had made a note, especially division C and D, for your formal letter and notice writing. So now let us go to the next divisions. Now here we go. We have division E, F and G together. Yes, all the three divisions E, F and G. Your topic is you will write a formal letter which is a letter of complaint. Yes, it's a letter of complaint. Now what is the complaint? Let us see. You are Rishi or Radhika, right? Living at 101 Shreya Bhavan, Kanpur. That means if you are a girl, your name is Radhika. If you are a boy, your name is Rishi, and you have to draft the remaining address. Now you have to write a letter to Messrs. HMT Corporation. So yes, children, HMT basically is a company who deals with the wristwatches. That's right. So HMT Corporation Kanpur, you have to complain that the wristwatch you lately bought from them does not keep good time. That means it does not shows good time, which means your wristwatch is not working properly. That's right. So now what you have to do is you have to draft a letter of complaint. Make sure children you are going to stick to the format. All right. The reason is the format also carries marks. Now, your next topic is notice writing. Yes. So now division E, F and G. Very interesting topic. Your school has planned an excursion to Lonavala near Mumbai during the Diwali holidays. So children, excursion over here means a short trip or a short journey. Now, write a notice for your school notice board giving detailed information and inviting the names of those who are interested to join, right? So now you have to sign as Naresh or Namita. If you're a boy, your name will be Naresh. If you're a girl, your name will be Namita. Yes, children, it's a very interesting topic and you have to draft a notice. Okay, write a notice giving the detailed information about inviting the students also who wants to join this particular excursion. That's a short trip. Now children, make sure that you are going to stick to the format of the notice writing. Okay, the reason is your notice writing format also carries marks. All right, so I hope all the divisions are now clear with your topics on formal letter as well as notice writing. So now children, we will make sure that we make the note down of important points. Your first point is, as we discussed earlier, your assignment has to be done in fullscape paper or A4 size papers only. Now once you're done with this, you have to scan these papers. Yes children, you need to scan these papers. For this, you need to download a scanner, which we have already instructed you which scanner you can use. Now you can convert a file into PDF format. So now children, if you don't know how to convert this file into PDF format, you can take the help of your parents. So now children, when you are actually, converting this file into PDF, you have to name this file. Now what is the format to name this file? Yes, the format is your name, which is the first name and the last name, underscore your class and division, underscore roll number, underscore subject. I am giving you one example. Example is Preeti Madhyal, that's my full name, underscore 6th A, that's an example, underscore roll number 12. No need to write ROLLNO then 12. Just write 12. That's it. Underscore English. So instead of writing the complete spelling of English, you can just write E and G. One more important point, children. You have to write the questions of the given topic. Make sure that each and every child write the question first and then start writing the formal letter or your notice writing. And yes, you have to submit this assignment by 19th of August 2020 before 8 p.m. Children, you are assignment should reach to the teachers before 8 p.m. Alright? So I'm very sure that you're clear with all these points. In case if you're forgetting any of the above points, you can, make sure that you go to the video again and go through the topics, read the questions once again, and start writing your assignment. All right? Now, the next one. So, now, children, just a gentle reminder about your project. So, as we know, your project also carries 10 marks. So, now we have already discussed in our doubt clearing session that your topic is new means versus old means of communication. And how are you supposed to write this? Yes, you can basically write the following points like what is the communication and what are the various means of communication. How can you compare the old, that is ancient ways of communication with the new ways of communication? As we know, in the ancient ways of communication there was various methods, like I gave you an example of pigeon, right? So now in the latest means of communication we have got, mobile phone, we have got laptop. So now children, you can specify all these points, and yes, you can take the help of your Google Chrome also. Now children, once you're done with this, you can stick beautiful images. Okay, you can draw the images if you want. You can take a printout and make this project more presentable. All right. Now you have to convert even this file into a PDF format. Okay, and you can follow the same file name format, the way which we have explained you in the last slide. Now children, about the submission. So when are you going to submit this project? Don't worry children, very soon we are going to message you or give you the details, the date about when to submit this project. All right, so don't worry, we will get back to you on the date of the project submission. All right, so I hope children you are very much clear with your internal assignment about your formal letters, about your notice writing, and also the project which carries 10 marks. And now, yes children, this particular compositions are very easy, and I'm very sure that you are going to write in a very good format and you're going to score good marks, right? So yes, you can start with the assignment immediate basis. So yes children, take care. Goodbye.